All right, so this is a linear modeling workshop, in case you wanted to see another example. So we have a situation. Connor has $25,000 in his bank account. Every month he spends $1,500 and he does not add money to the account. So I'm already thinking his account's getting smaller. He is spending money, not making money. The balance is going to go down. So our first question is to write a linear model that shows how much money will be in the account after X months. So when it says X months, the problem is just telling us that X equals number of months, which will help us later. And then the next question is asking how much will he have in his account after 8 months? So I'm going to come up here and I need to find my starting value and I need to find, or my V value, and I need to find my rate, my slope, my M value. Those all mean the same thing, okay? So my starting or my B value will be in green, and then my rate, slope, M value I'll put in red. So I've got two numbers here, 25,000 and 1,500. And I'm looking for a unit of time because that's usually a good indicator of what my rate is going to be. And I see here every month he spends $1,500. So I know that my $1,500, since it's connected with that month, and it's something that he spends every month, my rate, slope, M value has to be 1,500. But because he's spending this money, not making this money, it has to be negative because he's not getting the money back. That means that my starting value has to be 25,000. Perfect. Oops. Okay. So now I need to write a linear model that shows how much money he'll have. Again, with my linear model, I am just going to write y equals mx plus b. That's always going to be my foundation. And now I just have to replace m and b with what we just found. So y equals negative 1,500x plus 25,000. Once again, all I did was look up here to find my M and my B value. I will underline those as well. And I know that X is equal to the number of months. Like we said in class, Y always has to be a total. So the total in this case is going to be the total amount in Connor's bank account. Great. So now I just need to use my equation that I just wrote to figure out how much money he'll have left in his account after 8 months. So the problem is giving me 8 months, or the problem is giving me my X value, the number of months. So all I have to do is plug in 8 for X and leave everything else the same. So if you put this in your calculator, you would get negative 1,500 times 8 is negative 12,000. I'm going to add 25,000 to it. If you put that in your calculator, you would get 13,000. So after 8 months, Connor would have $13,000 in his bank account. And we are now done with this problem.